Hey guys, and welcome. We're in the garage today. We're working on another Explorer project, although this can be on any vehicle. Maybe I'll do my Jeep next. Well, here's what we've done, and you can get a preview of what we're going to work on. Don't know how well you can see that, but we've put a flag on the window. So, what we're going to do to get started, we're going to do this side here. I've already left the mark at the top where it kind of starts out. We'll work it from there, and looking forward to seeing you do this on your vehicle. Guys, here we are out in the garage. All right, so the first thing we did was we cut it in half. The reason we cut it in half is because the distance from here on the window to here is longer than the flag, all right? In other words, if I put this up here, see, it's great. If I bring it straight down, I got a big gap. So what I did was I drew a line. You could do this with a bigger flag, but you're going to see less stars if you do that. I tried to get as many as stars, so I got it as small as I could for this project. To start with, this one goes up like this. Always put your stars to the front. That's the way the vehicle's in motion. That's the way it would hang, right? So we're going to put this up here. We're going to put it about right. So we know we're just about there. And right about there. And we're going to put a little piece of tape here in the corner to hold that in place. Now, have a level. I got a real short one, easy to use. This way you can level your stripes, and you can see we're out of level right now, so we bring this up just a little bit to there. And you can see how I've got this here. I've got plenty of space. It looks like I want to come down just a little bit. I can see how my star is right on the edge. Don't want that. We'll move this down just a little bit. Start by putting this piece down. This way we know where we started out. Pull this up and move it down a little bit. This is all you have to do when you do this. It's all, nobody can see both sides at once. So now we're going to put this on here again, line it up, level it out. That's about perfect right there. It's as low as we can get. Now we're going to put another piece of tape out here just to hold this. We got that held in place. Now the next thing we have to do is get the other piece on there. Put that up here. You'll notice I cut and label them so I know which one goes where. You don't want to put it on upside down. You'll have your spacing wrong. So here we are. I'm going to do it like this. Just like this. There. Go there. Alright, so now we take a look. That's on the corner. That's good. We got a little bit of, you can kind of feel where your seams are under here. You can see how you're going to lose all these stars right here. Well, there you go. You're ready to start thinking about taping the rest of it up. So make sure you got your trusty blue tape. Now, the way this release stuff works is there's a white paper on this side to hold the spacing. We'll peel the sticky part off the back, all right? When we do that, we'll be all set. Now, the next thing we got to do is we got to make sure our window's clean. So we're going to roll this up like this, all right? It'll sit just like that, won't go anywhere. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a paper towel, alcohol. Got to have the window real clean. Make sure you get any Rain-X or anything else off this glass. Turn that over, wipe it some more. I'm going to run in and get one more paper towel so I can dry it. All right. You'll know this window's good and clean because it's really hard to slide the rag. Used to slip real easy because I had Rain-X on there. Not no more. So, got a squeegee. This squeegee has a felt edge, a regular edge. You can use either one. I prefer the felt edge when I can, especially if you're on the sticker. Got to use a felt edge on the sticker. So now, drop this back down. You can see we got a little tape issue there, so this is good to know before you get too far down the road that you got this issue. You don't want this coming loose once you start. We're going to put that on there really good, like this. We'll check our level one more time just to be sure we're still level. And we are level. You can see, I don't know if you can see that bubble, but maybe you can see that bubble. She's pretty level. So, don't forget you got tools on top of your car. We're going to take this, we're going to lay this out like this, we're going to peel this piece and work it down. Just kind of fold it up like this and start a corner. Alright, so I started the corner, not that easy, but I started a corner I'm going to throw out. Now you peel this off very carefully. Go slow. If it catches, bad things happen. Alright? Now, as I get part way out, I move my hand to the middle here. Continue to peel this. Set it aside. Now, out with the scraper. Now I want to start from the top, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start bringing this down like this, and I'm going to work this in right from the middle, and then I'm going to work each stripe in each direction. The thing you got to be careful is you don't want any wrinkles here. Now, it's okay to have wrinkles in the white part a little bit, but you don't want it where the sticker is. And don't touch the sticker if you can help it. Alright, now the last piece, difficult because it's always on the edge here. Alright, now you can kind of go over it, make sure it's all good and down, nice and snug. Now, I'm going to take this off so that I don't have to worry about messing the top part up. You can see like here, there's a wrinkle in the white, won't matter. Another little double check, make sure this is all down good. You get a few bubbles, you ain't got to worry, they come out later. Now, I turn the scraper around, use the other side, and I kind of come around the corner here and work this in. Alright, you can kind of pull this back, work this in good here. Do the same thing here, try not to push it down on the paint too tight, and come work this in like this, and you see how it just rips that paper? And it's cutting the decal at the same time. We're actually getting both done there. You can see a little piece of black here stuck. Must have bumped it down. It's very hard to get off your paint. Suppose if you got F11 on your car, it comes off easier, huh? Not getting that off easy here. We get it from this side. Get all that sticker stuff off your car as soon as you can. Don't do this in the sun, people. Alright. That looks pretty good. Gotta come behind the glass here with this to cut that up. Nice thing is, see, I slipped on the paint, no scratch. Plastic. There we go, that's off. Kind of work this around like that. Gonna have to come back, do some trimming with a knife. That's alright, get that with a knife. Now, next step we want to do is get the white off before it gets too sticky, alright? See how you don't want that sticker to come with it, alright? So pick a spot like here. Start peeling. Alright? When you peel it from the middle, you're less likely to get it to peel the sticker. See how we're going? See how we're going here? Getting it off. Sticker kind of peeled up on the end there. We're going to do this. We're going to do that. I'm going to wrap it all the way around the window there. We're just going to keep doing this till we get this off. You can see a little bubble. You can just work that bubble like that. Work it out. Don't worry about every little bubble. When this thing's out in the sun, it does go away, alright? Gonna have to do a little trimming on that corner because you can't fold the corner. You want to peel that sticker there, so you don't want to do that. You want to do this, come against it so it doesn't peel it up off the window. Again, we can work this one around. See, we work that one around. A little bubble there, we can work that bubble down. Using the felt side, bubbles out. It's another one. Or we started trimming it. Got a little more trimming to do here. Work this down at the edge of the window. Put that scraper in there and gonna work it around. Easy as pie. Hey, look, we got some stars. In case you want to put a star somewhere else, you can save that and use it later. Again, you might find you need to have some trimming with a knife here. Depends on how well it sticks to the edge of the glass and whether or not you got it clean. And you can see there's a little spot there with the trim it. You just want to make sure you trim it to make it look nice. You don't want the edge to look funny like that. Alright, there you go. We have got the flag on. It looks really nice. Little trim here, little trim there. We'll get this fixed up. It'll be just like perfect. So, look forward, like and subscribe here, okay? I'm going to put up more YouTube videos. I got some projects for rear light work, and I'm going to do some vinyl wrapping. I'm going to do some wrapping with carbon fiber, and it's going to be interesting. It's going to be fun. So like and subscribe. I'll put up a link where you can get these if you want them for your Explorer or your other vehicle. This works on anything. Talk to you later. Well, there you have it. We've got the flag on the vehicle right here. That's the final product. You can see that pretty good here, even though it's in the garage. Once it sits out in the sun, any little bubbles will go away. To be honest, we only got like 1 or 2, and they're very small. They're easy to work out when you're first putting it on. Don't be afraid, this kind of project. Go slow, take your time. Don't go fast. If you got anything any bigger than this, man, 2 people will hold it away from the glass as you work it down. Great idea. Make it a family project. Well, peace out. We'll see you soon on the next video.